Hey guys, welcome back to our CapCut video editing channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a stunning cinematic text intro using CapCut. The best part is that it's completely free and only takes a few clicks. Let's get started step by step. First, add your video to the timeline. Next, add a default text from the Text tab and adjust its duration to match your video. Now, choose any bold font that you like. Enter your text. Increase the text size to make it more eye-catching. For a cleaner and more cinematic look, increase the character spacing. Now select the text and create a compound clip. Select the compound clip and open the animation section. Next, choose Loop Animation. In the search bar, type split up and down. This animation is completely free to use. Once you find it, apply the animation to your text. If you'd like, you can adjust the animation duration. For the best cinematic effect, set the animation duration to the maximum value. Now change the blend mode of the compound clip to overlay. At this point, you may notice that the text isn't clearly visible. To fix that, select the main video and reduce its opacity value. I'm setting the opacity to 80%. But feel free to experiment with different values to achieve the look you prefer. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful cinematic text intro in just a few clicks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing CapCut tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.